Hi there, this is Mr. Evans. This video is going to provide a very quick overview of how to tackle the calculation questions in paper 2. So there's a couple of calculation questions last year. I recommended in the previous video that you have a quick look at the calculation questions and then you read the case study to try and find the information. Last year the information for both of the questions, one of which was about calculating break-even, one of which was about calculating operating profit, was on the back page of the case study. Sometimes you may have to dig through the case study to get the figures that you need to write the calculations, but last year it was fairly simple to find the figures that you need as long as you knew your formulas. So, really important to make sure you know how to calculate these, all of the formulas that are listed on the specification. So how do we go about answering the question? Well, this one you can see, this was the break-even question from last year. So the first thing to do is in the work, so they give you a space for the answer. So start off down here in the workings bit. Okay, and the first thing you do is write the formula. So in this case, it's about break-even. Break-even equals fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Then show all of your workings where they've asked you to show your workings and put the answer in the correct space using the correct unit. So for example, break-even is expressed in units of output. Whereas operating profit, which is the other question of course, will be expressed in pounds, so you need to put the sterling symbol. It's really important that you use the correct unit. Also, it's really important to put the answer where the examiner wants you to. Right, just put yourself in the examiner's shoes for a minute. They're going to be marking these in kind of June, nice time of year. The examiner is paid per question that they answer. Now, if you've put the correct answer right there where they want you to, that's 3 marks. The examiner can just have a quick look, award you all 3 marks. The examiner's happy because they've got a nice quick bit of money. They haven't had to look at anything but the correct answer, and you've got your 3 marks. So really help the examiner out by writing the correct answer, the correct unit, in the correct space, and that will help you out, help the examiner out, and everyone's happy. Here's a couple of examples from last year. This one, this is just showing you that they had shown their workings basically and put the correct answer. No, sorry, it's not the correct answer, but the comment here shows that because they've shown their workings, the examiner's been able to see where they've gone wrong, and they have given 2 marks out of the 3. So even though there's the incorrect answer there, they have given 2 marks out of 3. This answer was correct. And it secures all 3 marks. Workings are set out clearly, which helps the candidate demonstrate understanding, but nevertheless, they got the correct answer. So the example they're saying that, even if you get the incorrect answer, if you've shown your workings like they've asked you to, you can still secure 2 of the 3 marks if you have to show some sort of understanding of the concept. So there we go, that's calculation questions.